I don't know if you ever heard of a 317% hike in salaries. Nobody gets it. No Aam Aadmi gets it. Politicians get it, likely to get it. They proposed to get it. 177% increase in constituency allowance. 6-fold increase in travel allowance. 5-fold increase in conveyance allowance. 317% increase in basic salaries. It's not justified in principles. It's not justified morally, ethically or otherwise. But you know what? They've already had the election, so the Aam Aadmi Party can do whatever it wants to on the debate tonight. Ragini Nayak, Nupur Sharma of the Congress and the BJP, Raghav Chadha on the back foot. Oh, he should be. PDT Achari, chairman of the Independent Committee on the Pay Hike Recommendations, which has made that absurd attempt to hike salaries. This is what the report is about. So, Raghav Chadha, having a great time getting ready for, not you, it must be envious now of all the MLAs, right? Big hike coming their way. Party time for the MLAs. Raghav, people can suffer. People will be dying of dengue. You will have fun. Right? You promise everything, deliver nothing. You know, there's garbage on the streets. There's a garbage crisis. You give yourself a hike. Water shortage. You give yourself a hike. Very self-serving, Raghav. Isn't it? Very self-serving. You ask the families of the 38 people who died because of dengue and the 7,000 plus people affected because of, you know, what the work that you did not do. They won't be very happy with it. This is not even khas Aadmi. This is opulent Aadmi. Opulent Aadmi Party.
May I respond, Mr. Goswami?
No, it's just, please respond. Because I know that there used to be a person called Arvind Kejriwal.
Callous and insensitive as well.
I used to hear of a person called Arvind Kejriwal earlier. On the day of his swearing in, you know what he said? I'll quote you. A great man told me, he said, that we must never forget our roots. Your roots were in working for the people. Now you are growing, you are working for yourself.
Now, let me respond.
Please respond. Please respond.
With your permission.
Please respond. Please respond.
Metro se Mercedes tak.
So, a couple of quick points. First of all, this hike that you're talking about, it's not that this particular hike or the 4-fold hike or 317% hike has been done in the history of Delhi Legislative Assembly for the first time. In 1998, when there was a BJP government in Delhi, they also proposed a similar hike. But
so we are like all the others.
And the difference is, Mr. Goswami, no, there is a difference.
I know, somebody else proposed it. We have not implemented it yet. Same old argument. You know, what are you going to say?
Not somebody. Somnath Chatterjee.
I thought you were going to say Somnath Bharti, but you won't talk about Somnath Bharti nowadays, will you?
May I please, Mr. Goswami, with your permission, if you won't interrupt me. Somnath Chatterjee, when he was the Lok Sabha Speaker, recommended that there are strange norms in this country. MLAs, MPs decide their own salaries or the upward or the downward revision in their salaries. For the first time, a beginning has been made.
Who appointed this? Who appointed this independent committee? Who appointed this independent committee? Who appointed this independent?
I'll tell you.
Who appointed?
I think Raghav, you should stop this self-proclaimed appreciation.
The Salary and the Allowances Committee of the Delhi Vidhan Sabha. May I please, ma'am, may I please respond?
Who appointed this committee?
After that, you will have all the opportunity.
Who appointed this committee?
I am answering that. Yes, there is a Salary and Allowances. There is a Salary and Allowances Committee of the Delhi Legislative Assembly, in which there are members from the Aam Aadmi Party.
How much
there are members
of this committee
may I please,
concerned about
this is the reality. People, please
allow me to make my opening remarks. Allow me to make my opening remarks.
No, I'm asking people to watch.
Delhi Legislative Assembly, of which there is a Salary and Allowances Committee. That Salary of Allowances Committee consists of Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, BJP MLAs, and unfortunately Congress has no presence in the Delhi Assembly, so they have no MLAs to represent in that panel. This committee appointed 3 eminent people, like PDT Achari, the longest serving Secretary General of the Lok Sabha, Balraj Malik, Supreme Court lawyer,
that's why you're getting more whimsical.
Full majority, all the MLAs are running more.
You want to go on the dictatorial path.
Are you trying to say with 67 MLAs you're listening to anybody else's recommendation?
And it will be considered and will then
with 67 MLAs in the assembly, you're actually listening to the 3 BJP MLAs for recommendations in the independent panel.
No.
Who are you trying to fool, Raghav?
Yeah, why are you trying to fool people?
You see, the shouting match.
No, it's not. Don't take the high moral ground saying shouting match and all that. Answer the question, please. I think Nupur has a very relevant question and Nupur should be allowed to ask the question. I have a question too. My question is more basic than Nupur's. My question is, you have taken what I call a typical...
I also need to
I'll let you come in, but I need to ask Raghav a straight question. Raghav, koi conviction nahi hai aapki. You have taken a wishy-washy line on this matter, saying this is a proposal, it needs to go through several checks before it's finally approved. Let me ask you today, one simple question. It is now going to be on the screen.
Just because
the average, one second, please stop. The question is on the screen. This is the News Hour question tonight. The average Indian salary hike is estimated to be 10.7% as per a survey in the private sector. That means if people are lucky, they get a 10% hike. In 2015-16, they are likely to get. If this is representative of the Aam Aadmi, what explains a 400% bonanza for the Aam Aadmi party? And don't tell me kisi aur ne recommend kiya. You recommended the committee, you are the beneficiaries, you are the recommenders. In between, you have a body that appears to be independent.
They are the committee, they are the so-called independent.
I mean, this is absurd.
Yes.
Is this Aam Aadmi party?
Okay. On both
No, 1 second.
On both counts. If you talk about percentages, if you want to get into percentages term,
I don't want to, you are forcing me to.
Let's talk about amounts. A daily wager earns more than 12,000 rupees.
You should have put this in your manifesto.
That is the disposable income of an MLA of Delhi. That is the basic disposable salary of an MLA of Delhi. Now, if that amount is increased by some
percentage, 400% is some
percentage terms. Quantifying that
400% is some
into percentage terms.
Of course, percentage terms.
Exorbitant hike is not true.
Okay, now I get counters, and my first counter is coming in from Nupur Sharma. One versus one. No. Ragini and Nupur. I know where you're coming from, though I must say that your track record is not different either. When it comes to recommending salary hikes for yourself in the parliamentary level, I see two hands go up, very eager. Ragini and Nupur both want to come in. My only request is one of you at a time, because anyway today Raghav Chadha is so badly on the back foot. Nupur Sharma goes first with a question or a comment or an observation for Raghav Chadha. Raghav Chadha.
I just have one question, please. Arnab, allow me.
Yeah, please.
One, the Aam Aadmi party needs to understand they are not martyrs as they are trying to present themselves. Nobody forced them to leave their high-paying jobs to come into public service. And today, they started both their oath ceremonies, if you'll remember, that public servants are not supposed to misuse public funds and work for personal gains. Today, having chased the perks of power, they're chasing the... Allow me, Raghav, I did not interrupt you. Allow me, Raghav, have some manners, please. Now today, they are chasing the perks of PELF. 1. 2, please tell me which Aam Aadmi, now since Raghav wants to talk statistics and digits, which Aam Aadmi has 30,000 rupees per month of travel conveyance, and over and above that, 3 lakh rupees per year of travel reimbursement. Do the math. 6 lakh 60,000 rupees. Allow me, Raghav. 6 lakh 60,000 rupees a year only on travel. Will your MLAs would fly down from the constituencies to the secretariat? Who are you trying to fool? You know, it happens that the assembly is situated within the borders of Delhi. It's not a UP that they have to come from say Gorakhpur to Lucknow to attend the assembly session. Raghav, have some decency to listen. You have no argument. You will go.
Raghav, you should listen to her.
Why don't you?
Raghav, you should listen to her.
6 lakh 60,000 rupees a year on travel reimbursement and conveyance. Travel conveyance, please. 6 lakh 60,000 rupees a year on traveling within Delhi. Who are you trying to fool? Metro se Mercedes tak metro mein jao yaar assembly. Who's stopping you?
Governments are giving across the country.
Across the country, I'm talking about you. Answer for yourself.
Where? Raghav, do not compare MPs to MLAs.
No.
One MP constituency makes 10 MLA constituencies. After your proposed hike, the MLA will earn 50% more of the MP's salary. Who are you trying to fool? MPs have to fly in. They have to take the train
I'll open the lines
to Delhi in the parliament. Please. Don't take the Delhi public or the Indian public.
I'll open the
for fools.
lines now.
You fooled them enough.
We'll open the lines.
You fooled them enough.
No, 1 second. What we are going to do now, what we are going to do now, what we are going to do now,
Self-serving government. Deny this.
what we are going, viewers, I'm going to open the phone line. Should I open the phone line?
Please do.
Should I open the phone lines? Ragini, Raghav,
please allow
PDT
me to
Acharya,
make my
open the phone
initial
lines.
comment.
Lines are open.
Before you open
0222499 0594, and the other numbers are going to be on your screen now.
Delhi get 12,000 rupees as basic salary.
अरे भाई, don't fool people.
And 6,60,000.
लोगों को बेवकूफ
Who gets
मत बनाइए.
1,000 rupees a day for conveyance? What was the
नहीं, ये सब नहीं चलेगा राघव. ये सब नहीं चलेगा राघव. राघव, ये सब राघव सुनिए राघव जी
1 lakh रुपए to furnish your office. Who are you trying to fool?
दिस इज क्लासिक राघव चड्डा रिस्पॉन्स. ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है बाय प्रोफेशन. ये नंबर्स और गणित में बहुत अच्छे हैं, मगर इनका अच्छे होने का फायदा ये भी होता है जब चाहते हैं वो तोड़ मरोड़ करते हैं, नंबर्स को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. बेचारे एमएलए, उनको तो सिर्फ 12,000 रुपए मिलते हैं. कितनी झूठ बोलते हैं आप. कितने पैसे मिलते हैं उनको कंस्टिट्यूएंसी अलाउंस में, कितने पैसे मिलते हैं उनको सेक्रेटरियल अलाउंस में, रिसर्च अलाउंस में, ऑफिस असिस्टेंस अलाउंस में, कम्युनिकेशन में, कन्वेंस में, डेली अलाउंस में, वाटर और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में, फर्निशिंग ऑफिस में, लैपटॉप, पीसी, टैबलेट, हैंडसेट, ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट, एनुअल ट्रैवल. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? आप झूठ मत बोलिए. आपको मेरा एक सुझाव है. आपको मैं एक सुझाव देना चाहता हूं. आपको मैं सुझाव देना चाहता हूं. आप सुनिए, आपके केजरीवाल जी जो टाइम्स नाउ को इंटरव्यू नहीं देते हैं, देने से डरते हैं, उनको आप एक मैसेज पास ऑन कीजिए. उनको कहिए आज, और मैं आज टेलीविजन पर कहना हूं कि कोई भी अगर देख रहा हो, आप अरविंद केजरीवाल को फोन करके कहें कि वो फोन करे अभी. हम हमारे टेलीविजन चैनल के नंबर उनके पास है. आए अरविंद केजरीवाल टीवी चैनल पर, मैं सवाल पूछूंगा उनसे.
अरे क्यों फोन करें, वो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं.
नहीं, आए वो
बहुत बड़े आदमी फोन नहीं करेंगे. अर्नब बहुत बड़े आदमी फोन नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं, क्योंकि राघव चड्डा जी सुनिए. राघव चड्डा जी सुनिए. क्यों क्यों मैं कह रहा हूं आपको. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी दादरी में जाते हैं, लेक्चर करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी बातें कहते हैं. नहीं, 1 सेकेंड. मैं उनसे सिर्फ एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं. आई हैव जस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन टू अरविंद केजरीवाल टुनाइट. प्लीज राघव, प्लीज लिसन, प्लीज. मिस्टर केजरीवाल, बिकॉज आई एम सेइंग दिस टू केजरीवाल बिकॉज केजरीवाल को वो कोजी सॉफ्ट इंटरव्यूज बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. वो बैठ के आप कैसे हैं जी, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस अच्छे लगते हैं.
क्रांतिकारी
ना,
अरे आप क्यों बुरा मान रहे हैं?
बिकॉज बुरा मानने की बात ही नहीं है. सिर्फ एक सवाल उनको पूछना चाहूंगा. एक इंटरव्यू दे, एक सवाल पूछूंगा उनसे. एक सवाल पूछूंगा. अभी लाइन पे आए तो एक सवाल पूछूंगा. अभी लाइन पे आए अरविंद केजरीवाल, एक सवाल पूछूंगा. और सवाल ये होगा, एक सवाल पूछूंगा सिर्फ. अरे छोड़ दीजिए इंटरव्यू की बात. कौन इंटरव्यू मांग रहा है? इंटरव्यू से डरे कोई नेता, वो अलग बात है, मगर मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा. मैं पूछूंगा एक सवाल कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, आप आज चुनाव है, आप एक काम कीजिए. आप एक पन्ने का नया मैनिफेस्टो लिखिए, और मैनिफेस्टो पर लिखिए कि द मोमेंट आई एम इलेक्टेड टू पावर, माई पार्टी प्रॉमिसेस a 400% increase in salaries for all the MLAs elected from my party. Please vote for the Aam Aadmi Party.
No.
ये इलेक्शन के बाद नहीं कर सकते. आप ऐसे नहीं, इलेक्शन के बाद नहीं कर सकते. सॉरी, नहीं, आप इलेक्शन के बाद नहीं, इलेक्शन के पहले कीजिए. सॉरी, no, this is not appropriate. You go to the people, you take a mandate from the people that if you are doing something as extraordinary as this, you need to have the approval of the people. You cannot go to the people and say I will serve you, and then after the elections do what you want. ये मनमानी नहीं कर सकते. रागिनी नायक फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी.
घर नहीं चलता.
नहीं, रागिनी नायक फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी. रागिनी नायक प्लीज फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी. रागिनी नायक, लाइन्स आर ओपन. रागिनी नायक.
I'm sorry, Raghav. All this hyperventilation is of no use. Your arguments are sounding hollow and unconvincing. There are 2-3 points that I want to make, Arnab, very quickly. You see, it's amazing that the Aam Aadmi Party did not have funds to give salaries to the Safai Karmcharis of the MCD. they still don't have any money to pay to the old age and widow, the pensioners of Delhi. They don't have any money to pay to the contractual guest teachers of the MCD schools. They don't have any money to pay salaries to the
They don't have
doctors.
money.
But from somewhere out of the blue, they will find money to stuff their own pockets.
Horrible.
To fill the pockets of their own MLAs.
Shameful.
And who is going to
Now
pay
let
for
me
this money?
respond to this.
This personal
It's a
enrichment
bit
will be
too
at the
rich.
cost of the
It's a bit too
taxpayer.
rich.
So I am
Coming
giving
from
you,
a
I am
person
asking you, Mr.
whose
Raghav
party
Chadha,
has looted-
Raghav, listen to her.
why did you not
Coming
ask
from
for
a
a
person who's
referendum?
looted-
Listen to
Why
her.
you did not go to the people of
PWD
Delhi,
scam.
pleaded your case, told your
Not
predicament to them,
scam.
Yes.
and then left it
No
to the
floor
people of
buses
Delhi to
scam.
decide whether they
Light
want to
scam.
pay for a hike in
The
your
party that
salaries
has
or not.
looted Delhi will give
You,
surplus now.
who at the drop of a hat
Now,
to
Mr.
make
Goswami,
every
This-
small little issue controversial
can-
and political, wanted to take a referendum from the people of
अच्छा, सुन
Delhi.
लीजिए,
But
सुन
now, this is your sheer hypocrisy,
सुन
your
लीजिए।
double
मैं
standard,
अभी जवाब
your
देता हूँ आपकी
self-centric
बात को।
approach towards politics.
आज कोई जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे। नहीं, आज कोई जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे। And one second. अरे राघव चड्डा सुनिए, आप today I want to say this. 1 second please, today, 1 second please, 1 second, Ragini, 1 minute, Ragini, by the way, I am announcing tonight, Ragini, just have a public message.
May I please?
I have a public message. I want to make a public announcement. My lines are open.
Will I be allowed?
And my lines are open. And my lines are also open to a certain gentleman called Arvind Kejriwal, who otherwise does not want to answer my questions. And if anyone knows Arvind Kejriwal, can be told that I am saying on television that he should answer my question tonight. मैं तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे वो तो आम आदमी है ना, कई आम आदमी फोन करे हमें, वो भी फोन करे।
राघव जी अरविंद जी को सवालों से भागने की
और मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल के लिए दूसरा सवाल,
बहुत अच्छी आदत है उनको,
और अगर मौका मिले,
ये कुछ नया फिनोमेना नहीं है, he is used to running away।
और मेरा अगला सवाल, अगर आज अरविंद केजरीवाल लाइन पे आए तो मैं दूसरा सवाल भी करूंगा, और मेरा दूसरा सवाल इज ऑन द स्क्रीन नाउ। माय दूसरा सवाल टू अरविंद केजरीवाल विल बी, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, मैनिफेस्टो में आपने नहीं बताई, ये आपने बाद में की पोस्ट फैक्टो आप अपने आप को सैलरी हाइक दे रहे हैं। दूसरा सवाल ये होगा, हाउ कैन द आम आदमी पार्टी रिवॉर्ड इटसेल्फ विथ दिस ह्यूज बोनेंजा व्हेन देयर आर 2.66 लाख अनएम्प्लॉयड पीपल इन दिल्ली? 1 रुपए नहीं मिलता उनको, नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं, उनमें से कई सैकड़ों लोग एजुकेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयड है, और आप अपने आप को ये मजाक करके रखा है आपने, और कह रहे हैं कि अरे कुछ कोई बात नहीं, जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं आप।
दे सकता हूं,
नहीं, लाइन्स भी ओपन है, फोन कॉल आ रहे हैं, मैं लोगों को भी आई हैव टू टेक देम ऑनलाइन
का मौका दिया जाएगा।
यस राघव चड्डा, कहिए, जवाब दीजिए राघव चड्डा,
जवाब सुन लीजिए,
जवाब सुन
लीजिए। हमने 15-20 मिनट से सबकी बातें सुनी है। यस, प्लीज लेट मी रिस्पॉन्ड।
नहीं, सुनना पड़ेगा।
1 minute of uninterrupted time and then you can go to the other panelists. Point number one. As I've said, and for the,
did you give other people uninterrupted time? That you are expecting that you would be given uninterrupted time.
Made by an expert panel. These recommendations have been made to a salary
खास आदमी पार्टी panel.
That's one. Point number two.
Arnab, I'll have to come in on this. I'll have to counter this argument. I want to know the expertise and the competence of the panel. You see, Mr. Achari is here on your channel.
Mr. Goswami, let us for
with due respect.
Okay, no, one second.
To the personals and their professionals.
Arnab, one question. What justifies 1,000 rupees travel allowance?
What did he have to do with the
1 second, Raghav Chadda should be allowed to complete. No, Nupur and Ragini, let Raghav complete. Nupur and Ragini, let Raghav complete. It can't be 2 versus 1. 1 second. Let Raghav complete. I get your question to Mr. Achari. But let Raghav complete his point, Ragini. Complete your point, Raghav. Complete your point. Otherwise, it won't be fair. And by the way, lines are open to everyone, including Kejriwal. Yes, please continue, Raghav. Please.
Okay. Mr. Goswami, while you and I may disagree on a lot of upward revisions that have been recommended on various components, I'm fine.
Upward revisions?
But let me say this.
This is an upward revision.
Let us.
This is an upward revision.
Let us please.
It's a space shuttle launch in terms of salaries. What are you saying?
It
is a space shuttle launch in terms of salary hikes. What upward revision?
Allowed to complete. May I please
Raghav
speak?
It has demolished all concepts of the bell curve.
Pro-high stand of yours
you and
is
I,
antithetical
yes.
to the
Now
values
at
you
least
claim to
let
espouse.
us acknowledge
You
and
have to realize
appreciate the
this.
fact that this
How can
committee
you
has
now
made
ever take
some
the
good
moral high
recommendations
ground
which
that
are
you
as
took
follows.
before elections?
Which are
I
as
have a very
follows.
important
No
question.
No
Arnav,
MLA
please.
will be allowed to take official accommodation. No MLA will be given house rent allowance. No MLA will be allowed to take reimbursements of electricity and water.
Don't
No
make a
MLA
virtue
will
out
be
of
given
vice.
loan at subsidized rate.
Ragini.
No
Make a virtue
MLA
out of vice.
will
Nupur
get
Sharma.
free
Nupur
education
Sharma.
and travel.
Nupur Sharma.
Arnav, he cannot be allowed to lie on television.
Who's lying on
Please.
television?
States get.
Arnav,
Every legislator of BJP
please allow me to come in.
gets official accommodation.
Arnav, he
Gets
needs
free
to be
travel.
counted on facts
This is the
here.
first committee
25,000 rupees allowed as office
Raghav, let
rental.
us speak.
I'm
Let us
sorry,
have the
25,000 rupees allowed as office rental. And please explain this match to me. You have a cap for 70,000 rupees as constituency work allowance over and above your MLA lag fund. What will you do with those 70,000 rupees a month? That is over and above your MLA lag fund and over and above other perks. Please explain what is this 70,000 rupees for? Please explain what is the 25,000 rupees official rent for? And please, one more question. This entire recommendation is marred by necessity of luxury, not of necessities. Arnav, they have increased the vehicle car loan allowance from 4 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees. Which ordinary citizen of this country, Aam Aadmi of this country, will buy a car for 12 lakh rupees? They are so, you're right. This is an opulent party. This is a Khas Aadmi party. If they are so ordinary and so Aam Aadmi, why are they not happy with 4 lakh rupee allowance for a car? Why do they need 12 lakh rupees? They need SUVs.
No,
and let me remind you, over and above, gifts from people like their MLAs, like Rakhi Birlan receives. Let's question the quid pro quo. Let's question the quid pro quo in your legislator receiving an SUV, a Scorpio car as a birthday gift. Over and above that, you will give 12 lakh rupees.
No answer.
Over 40 MLAs in your assembly. Over 40 MLAs of 67 MLAs are crorpatis. Are you trying to befool the public that they need this kind of money? Raghav, answer. Raghav, answer. Forget the BJP. The BJP recommendation was rejected in July 2015. Please, don't fool the public. It's not about 12,000 rupees. It's about 2,35,000 rupees. You need 70,000 rupees over and above the MLA lag fund as constituency expenses. Over and above your 1 lakh rupee for refurnishing your office.
Ragini Nayak had a question. Ragini Nayak had a question for PDT Achari, the man behind it all, who's been quietly listening to the debate. He is the chairman. He is the author of the Independent Committee for Pay Hike Recommendations of Delhi MLAs and a former Secretary General of the Lok Sabha, Mr. Achari. Thank you very much for being patient in listening to this discussion so far. Ragini Nayak has a straight question for you. Ragini Nayak, don't mince words. You ask Mr. Achari. Go ahead. Directly.
Just give me 20 more seconds.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you see on the 1st of August, Delhi Assembly Committee on Salary and Allowances, which solely constituted of Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, actually decided that they are going to let an expert panel take a call on revision of their pay and allowances. Point number 1. So who constituted this committee? Essentially the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and also the Speaker of Delhi Assembly, who again is one Aam Aadmi Party MLA. All right. Now let's also talk about the members of this particular expert panel. I have full respect for Mr. Achari, but I'll have to ask him. You see, he was the Secretary General of the 14th Lok Sabha, but what expertise does he have with respect to the Delhi Legislative Assembly? Similarly, Mr. K.V. Prasad is another member
Raghav,
who is a journalist who has never in his life covered Delhi Legislative Assemblies. So what about the intricacies and nuances associated with administration of this assembly and the various assembly constituencies? I want to ask that. And also secondly, how many meetings did take place? What was the foundational premise of drawing a conclusion of 400% rise and not 500, 600 or 200%? I mean, I think all these things have to come.
Mr. Achari, can you hear me?
If you actually claim transparency,
Mr. Achari, 1 second. Simple question. I respect your expertise. You've been Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. But please kindly tell me, are you an HR consultant? Do you have some special knowledge of salary hike revisions? Are you an expert on the bell curve? Do you do performance assessment? What is your background in linking performance to salaries, which is the most contemporary principle in any HR practice? So if people give salaries, they link it to performance. I want to ask you, what is your professional expertise on these fronts?
See, so many questions have been put to me. So many questions have been put to me. Now, the basic question is, the Speaker of the Delhi Assembly has appointed this committee and made me the chairman. And this committee has been given a task to look into the pay structure of the Delhi Assembly members and revise the salary and allowances. So this was the basic task that was given to us. Now, so far as your questions about my competence, etc., are concerned, I do not want to answer that question because that is not for me.
No, this question is coming from Ragini. I think it's a relevant question.
To that question, because
no, sir, you have recommended a very large pay hike that the whole country is talking about. We want to ask you, sir, what is your professional expertise?
If you would kindly listen to me.
I also want to ask
Speaker, I would say,
what
you need
I would say, no, if you don't want to listen to me, then I will keep quiet.
No, let him speak. Let him speak. He's been listening. No, Ragini, he's been listening. Mr. Achari has been listening. Let him answer.
I have been listening to all of you.
Let him answer.
All the points that have been made, and some specific questions have been addressed to me by you. And also the another panelist, I think from the Congress party. Now, the point is, the Speaker, while appointing me as the chairman, was convinced that I will be able to do the job. So that is the basis of my performance as the chairman of this committee. And we have gone into this issue. If you can keep,
what are your qualifications? That doesn't answer the question.
If you can keep politics out of this question, out of this discussion.
What are you saying? It's the taxpayers' money.
1 or 2 minutes.
Why should we be quiet?
No, if you ask, if you
then you know, Arnab Raghav shouldn't call this an issue.
He should keep politics out of.
He should
blind purging of taxpayers' money
by Aam Aadmi Party.
I have a serious problem with this.
Particular selection has been done once
we should not ask questions when the question is the issue is special splurging of taxpayers' money. ये क्या logic है?
This picture is pretty clear.
You cannot ask me the question.
Sir, my second question, Mr. Achari. Mr. Achari, 1 minute. Mr. Achari, 1 second. Mr. Achari, 1 minute. Mr. Achari, 1 minute. Mr. PDT Achari, 1 second. Mr. PDT Achari, you are a very senior man. I know your professional background. I respect you at a personal level, and don't take what I am saying or what Ragini is saying or Nupur is saying as disrespect to you. You are senior to all of us, and I think we all respect that. But that is not the point, sir, with the greatest of respect to you. The point is...
that is certainly not the point.
The point, sir, Mr. Achari, with greatest of respect to you is this, that in India today, we believe, and this generation believes, that you should get higher pay, but it should be performance linked. Now, you see, Mr. Achari, my problem with your recommendations is not even with the money. My problem greater is that there is no link to performance. Suppose you say I'll give them 100% hike.
Lack of
let them set
on dengue performance.
No. Let them set their key result areas, their KRAs. All of us who work in the private sector have KRAs. You achieve this target, you pay this, you get this money. You don't achieve your target, you don't get the money. What are the key result areas of these MLAs?
There should be a 400% deduction.
Let me answer that question.
Yeah, let him answer, and then we'll go back to Raghav. Yeah, lines will be open.
May I answer that question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
The legislators in this country are supposed to make law. That is their basic job. The members of parliament and the members of the legislature, the state assemblies, they are lawmakers.
No,
that
sir.
That is their expertise. That is
sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I disagree. Now, Mr. Achari, I'll have to respectfully again disagree with you. My point is this. My point is that on this Raghav Chadha, my question to you is, you want 300%. Chalo, I don't give you 300%, I agree to 30%. But I agree to 30% after you build 500 schools in Delhi like you promised to. I'll agree to 30% after you build 1.5 lakh toilets in slums and 50,000 in public spaces as you promised to. I'll give you 30% after you build the Jan Lokpal bill. I will give you 30% after you've achieved the goal of full statehood. You may say that's political. I will give you 30% after you have set up 20 new colleges that you did. You have done nothing. बहुत बात कर, कुछ नहीं किया. सिर्फ ये आप अपने आप को. So what is where's the performance link to this? Please, Raghav, answer.
So, Mr. Goswami, yes, 2 points.
And by the way,
Mr. Goswami,
Kejriwal didn't
before
call.
I answer this question. Certain questions were raised about the qualifications of Mr. PDT Achari.
No. Answer the question on performance. Nobody's questioning his qualifications. That's not the key issue.
It is important.
No, that's not the basic issue.
Somebody has been insulted. I feel for him. He has been the member secretary of the Parliamentary Pay Commission. He has been the member secretary of the Parliamentary Pay Commission, a member of the Joint Committee on Salary and Allowances of Members, and India's longest serving Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. He is a very well-decorated man. He has decided salaries of parliamentarians. He has decided salaries of 4,000 strong employees of the parliament. So therefore, before these panelists question the qualifications of PDT Achari,
First caller today, VK Oja, holding for a long time from the city of Gujarat, Surat. From the city of Surat in Gujarat, VK Oja, please. VK Oja, please. Good evening and sorry to keep you holding for so long, VK Oja. Go ahead, sir.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
Mr. Oja. Yes, Mr. Oja, Arnab here. Go ahead. What's your question?
Sir, thank you for giving me a chance.
Thank you, sir, for calling.
हाँ सर, मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ.
जी कहिए.
सबसे पहला सर आपकी चैनल को धन्यवाद कि आपने इतने अच्छे सब्जेक्ट उठाया. दूसरा मेरा कहने का यह मतलब है कि आम आदमी पार्टी वाले अभी भी इतने सबके साथ देखो सर किस तरह का उनका व्यवहार है, किस तरह से वो लोग बात करते हैं और हम लोग ने किस तरह उनको सत्ता पे लाया. आज उनके घमंड देखो. आज सर मेरे घर में 11 जन है. मैं उधर से बोल रहा हूँ 11 जन. मेरे घर में 2 लीटर दूध होता है, उसमें 1 लीटर पानी रहता है. और ये आज ये लोग देखो इसकी बात देखो कैसे बात करते हैं. कितना हमको दुख लगता है कि आपने यही लोगों को सत्ता पे लाया. कितना आपको फील होता है. मुझे सर बोलने के लिए भी अभी कुछ शब्द नहीं है. मगर सर ये लोग की बात देखो आप कैसे बात करते हैं सर. आप मेरे लड़के घर पे 11 जन है, 6,500 में हम लोग गुजारा करते हैं और ये लोग देखो ऐसा. हमने ये लोग को इसके लिए सत्ता पे लाया कि खुद की गाड़ी आज अभी केजरीवाल कैसे किसी गाड़ी में घूम रहे. आज ये खुद जाकर से कि हम गाड़ी देख रहे कैसे गाड़ी में घूम रहे. ये आशुतोष
ओझा जी, आपने फोन किया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आई होप योर वॉइस रीचेस. मैं चाहता हूं कि आपकी आवाज केजरीवाल जी के पास जाए ताकि वो समझे. और अगला फोन कॉल कोलकाता से जगजीत सिंह इज अ बिजनेसमैन. 1 मिनट सुनिए प्लीज, लोगों की आवाज सुनिए. जगजीत सिंह जी, गुड इवनिंग. जगजीत सिंह जी, जस्ट अपने फोन टेलीविजन के वॉल्यूम को थोड़ा कम कीजिए, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर यू क्लियरली. जगजीत सिंह जी, प्लीज गो अहेड.
My point is to Sir Arvind Kejriwal. Hello.
Go ahead.
Arvind Kejriwal, at the time of election, he told all his MLA to come by metro and not to take any government car.
Yeah.
And now after election, a hike of 400%.
Yeah.
It is ridiculous.
Absolutely.
Don't you think Mr. Chadha, he is fooling the people of Delhi?
Yeah, Mr. Chadha, you heard that? Mr. Chadha, Jagjeet Singh, stay on, please. Raghav Chadha, respond to him.
He is simply fooling the people of Delhi.
You see, sir, in order to carry out responsibilities of an elected representative, he has to travel.
Please,
you don't need a 4 lakh rupee car, you need 12 lakh.
No, don't give me that.
And because as the caller has raised an amount of 400%, let me tell you, sir, let me tell you, sir, that in West Bengal,
like I started,
what is this? What is the shouting match?
What shouting
Why
match?
don't you just invite
What shouting match? No, what shouting match? What shouting match are you talking about? I am asking you tonight. Unfortunately, in this country, unless you raise your voice, you are not heard. And my only point to you, Raghav Chadha, is: do I forget things? Do I forget that Arvind Kejriwal used to travel around in a Wagon-R car during the elections, and after the elections, he wants 12 lakh rupees every car? You want to ensure that each one of your MLAs
Who says this?
Each one of your MLAs. I mean, even if you go, Raghav Chadda, suniye, Raghav Chadda, you go, Raghav Chadda, you go for the top end, hatchback. Even a top end hatchback does not cost 12 lakhs. What are you talking about?
आप लोगों को ये भी बताइए जो आपको फोन
vehicle loan of 12 lakhs
जो पैनल पर हैं कि दिल्ली के आम आदमी को दिल्ली के
Please, Arnab, I have a question.
लेजिस्लेटर को
Let's forget the car. Without the car, they need 6,60,000 rupees a year per MLA to travel within the borders of Delhi.
12,000 रुपए
You don't need to travel outside of Delhi to reach the assembly, Raghav Chadda.
Okay.
Why the 3 lakh rupee travel
Dear viewers,
Why the 30,000 rupees travel conveyance?
I think it is time.
60,000.
I think it is time.
Explain
एक बार भी
this.
पत्रकार थे अगली बारी
अरे कहाँ जाओगे यार हवाई जहाज से असेंबली में?
नहीं, हमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आपके कमेटी में होने की. आप लोगों को लीजिए, आप आम आदमी को जाके पूछिए. मैं आम आदमी को लाके पूछिए. एंड आई वांट टू सिंसियरली से दिस. One second. I am going to make a small. What we are going to do on the news are, I have been getting a lot of feedback from people saying let the viewers' voice also be heard a little bit more. So on the app soon, on the Times Now app, we are going to introduce a provision where you can send us your video questions. We'll start taking some video questions from people on the news hour. I want this voice to be heard. By the way, it's not about the money. It's about the principle. And Arvind Kejriwal, it's time you answer a few questions on the news hour. I will have a few questions for you. Reject this. Don't accept it. Reject it. Come out publicly and say, I will not accept this. Not about money, but on a matter of principle. Come on, Arvind, say it. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.